After my stalker was incarcerated and I had pulled myself out of the despair of PTSD, I started researching. I wanted to know more about what had happened. How had this happened? How had a few casual interactions at my workplace gotten me here over 10 years later? I came across a lot of information about stalking. So much research that could have perfectly predicted the course of conduct. But what was worse than that, I came across something else. I started seeing events for victims' rights. I thought I should go to those. I was a victim after all. I thought it was a new grassroots movement. As someone with a master's in forensic psychology, I would have heard about that, right? I started signing up for classes and conferences, but these weren't for victims. They were for professionals. It was a whole field of victims advocates. To be clear, I had been assigned one in court, but I didn't understand the scope. So I kept going, and I learned how much I didn't know, how much I hadn't been told, how much I hadn't been provided, how much I hadn't been guided. So I became one. So I wanted to share some of that with you here, now, today. Here in Maryland, we have victims' rights. Did you know that? Unlike some states, in Maryland, victims include those who suffer actual or threatened physical, emotional, or financial harm as a direct result of a crime. If you are a victim, please make sure you have obtained the Victims' Rights pamphlet, which you can get from any police officer or officer of the court. Next, you will e-file a completed notification request form with the prosecuting attorney and or follow the Maryland Electronic Court System Protocol to request notice of upcoming court actions or release of the accused. If the stalker is convicted and incarcerated, victims should be directed to sign up for VINE, which notifies you of any changes in status or release of the convicted person. It is important for crime victims to be informed of their rights and be aware of these processes, as they are integral to it. This is particularly true in stalking cases, which can go on for years, even decades. If your stalker is released, this will help alert you in advance. This is vital to safety planning and can assist in providing you with some sense of security. If your stalker violates any terms or conditions of any court order or the terms of their release, contacts you in any way, or threatens your safety, do not hesitate to contact the authorities. Victims will also play a vital role in gathering evidence. Always make sure to document all communications, approaches, or escalations, no matter how long it has been since you last heard from the offender. You are entitled to these rights and more. We aren't always informed about our rights. I made that mistake. Don't let it happen to you. Stalking, by definition, is an ongoing crime. Despite recurring interactions with law enforcement and the criminal justice system, you may not be properly informed. They may be overwhelmed with their caseload or may lack sufficient training in this area. But we, as Marylanders, can work together to support and educate our stalking victim community. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.